Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Pride. Today I'm gonna show how to fix the clunk and rattling noise repair. And then this one is a 2011 Santa Fe, a Hyundai car. And then customer complains kind of rattling clunk noise while driving uneven surface road. And I noticed several and then feel something kind of under my feet. Mostly common cause the stabilizer or swivel rings is worn out is make rattling. So I strongly recommend you guys lift up your car in your garage and then check the stabilizer rings worn out. It's the safety is first once the lays up and then action under the vehicle and then loose all the lug knot and then you guys can check yourself. I got the lug knot off and then take that out wheel and then access to the stabilizer link and then some other lane swivel links connected to the front strut to the stabilizer bar, and then there's a two nut to attach the stabilizer bar and then front strut assembly. When you're checking the one out the stabilizer links, grab a stabilizer bar end like this and then moving up and down motion, and you guys can feel something loose and then some of kind of make a little tiny clunky noise. It's time to change the stabilizer link whole assembly. Old car getting old is losing a thread. I strongly recommend clean up the thread first. It's much easier to out, and then once out, slightly lubricate on the thread, and then using the impact is much easier, but you don't have an impact using the hand tool. And then now take that out nut from the strut connection. Now I recommend replace the both side. Once you guys and then can hold this noise and then remove both side top side stabilizer connection and then lower the stabilizer bar whole assembly. Now much easier to access bottom side stabilizer links connection nut. And then I take him out both side knot and then now inspect the stabilizer link, and then finally I got the cause. Look at that, is a boot is torn and I get into the water and then losing inside the ball joint, and then that's why it's pretty much worn out and make a noise. And then not very hard, this stabilizer links inspection diagnosed and then replaced. This part is from the Amazon around $30, and then I think anybody can do that. So thank you for watching.